Hi, my name is Nizreen and I do games and animation at Stamo College. I chose Stamo College over any other college because when I came at an open day, I was able to actually experience and see for myself the friendly environment of Stamo. I could see that the teachers genuinely cared about the students and their progress. That's what I was looking for, and so that's why I joined Stamo. The thing that I love about this course the most is how we are taught the theory, then we are given our own independence to use what we learnt in our own way and how we find it suitable. I like how there's a mix between group projects and also independent projects, because you get to test your own skills, but also you get to really experience how work is like in the industry. The teachers are always looking for what is in our best interest. They're always helping us, allowing us to get the best out of our work and get the best grades possible. They're always doing stuff in their own time, like providing the resources and teaching the lessons in a way that you actually remember them. It sticks in your mind. What the animation and game design course at Stamo has given me the most is probably the practical skills, as I'm actually constantly working on either animation, game design, editing audio or videos in different software. Through this course, I've actually been able to improve my communication and confidence. I was able to speak in front of a room of people and also do an interview in front of a camera, which I had never done before. I think for anyone that wants to do an animation and game design course, definitely to come to Stamo, because if you are looking for a friendly environment where no one judges you, you don't have to be the most outgoing. You can stay quiet and be yourself, and everyone will still respect you, which is, I think, what everyone probably is looking for. So I think that is one of the main reasons to come to Stamo, as well as you'll be getting all the knowledge that you need for the future.